What is up YouTube, this is Trades by Oliver, and today I'm going to show you a quick backtesting strategy that I use to test my strategy using live paper trading data. So without further ado, let's get in the video. So firstly, I'm going to show you just a diagram, just a simple method that I use to get into a trade. It's basically just a run on stops, then waiting for a shift in market structure, then enter in on a fair valued gap. So firstly, just by getting to the chart first, I was first trying to just find myself in the market, just looking at what price wants to do itself. I'll be going through time frames, marking out fair value gaps on the 15-minute time frame, as well as watching the hourly time frame. Now we did have a big down day yesterday, and today is FOMC, this being on a Wednesday. So this trade will be before the FOMC announcement. I don't want to be in a long trade or a big movement. I just want to be nimble, just taking a short scalp. So you saw me flipping through the other charts as well as Nasdaq and the Dow, just comparing the two averages, what lows has been taken and what lows has not been taken in the S&P. So right now I've been waiting just for a run on stops, basically just a fake run higher, a run above here, a fake run above here, just to induce buying, just to fake or manipulate, so to say, other traders like retail traders and so forth. So I'll just be waiting for that run on stops. People that got into the sell too early, so just right about now we'll be going above that high. So I'll be looking to sell into this bull run, running above this high that I just showed you there. So right now I'll be waiting for the first step is done. We have the run on stops. So now I'll just be waiting for the shift in market structure. So just waiting for that right now. Just waiting for price to make its first low. So yeah, right there, that low there, I'm waiting for price to move fully aggressive below that low right there. So I'm waiting for aggressive move to show me a willingness that price is going lower. So I'm just waiting for a strong move below that low. So right there, and there, that candle that closes after that, is a little gap there on top. That's the fair value gap. I'll be highlighting it now. Right now I'll be highlighting it with a box with a rectangle right now. The gap that I just entered in on, that's the fair value gap that I just entered in on. So right now I'm just waiting for looking what price wants to do. Does it reject my fair value gap? Does it move away? Does it show strong rejections to the downside? And right there, price, you can see price is moving fairly strong to the downside. Now when price hit that dotted line over there, I felt like I had to take a partial, because that was basically the midpoint of the previous days, that strong bear run that we had yesterday on the Tuesday. So right now I'm just looking at the marking out the fair value gaps that price is hitting. Just trying to follow price as it moves, trying to stay focused. So that two bold lines with a dotted line in the center, price moved through that and moved back down through it. That's the new week opening gap. So I'm looking for resistance from the new week opening gap, as well as price hit the fair value gap that I entered on originally, my first entry on. Price hit that fair value gap again, and I'm just moving, watching the fair value gaps that price is hitting, trying to monitor and move with price as price is moving. As you can see, as price is moving, price came again to that dotted line, the one there in the center, and price was like consolidating here for a few minutes or so. So I just decided just to take my first partial off here, just in case, because today is the FOMC and price could at any time just run back on me. So I just decided just to take my first partial right there, then move my stop into profit, and then I'll be waiting till price hits my first partial, where I marked partial, just to take my first partial right there. After I've taken my first parcel right there, this would actually be my first parcel if it wasn't for the way the price is moving. So I just took my first parcel off there. Now I'm just waiting for price to hit my target. I just moved my limit. I wanted price to hit my limit, but I just moved my limit away from there, just a little bit lower, so price can hit my target. Then I would take off my last parcel, move my profit, my stop loss further in profit, and then just wait till price hits my target. And once price hits my target, yes, there I'm out of the trade. And now there's my executions, just showing you with the arrows there. That's my executions that I took, and that's a screenshot of the trade that I took. And yeah, I hope you guys like this piece of content that I just made for you guys. If you do happen to like it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. And until I see you in the next one, be safe.